In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to position the bar chart labels in the end, but inside the bar chart using Tableau. This technique not only enhances the clarity of your visualizations, but also ensures that your data labels are more visually appealing and easy to read. Let's get started by opening the Tableau public app. It's the perfect tool for creating dynamic and interactive data visualizations. Once you have the application open, access your worksheet where you typically store your data visuals. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the work we'll be doing. Now, drag the category field to the rows. This action will categorize your data, making it easier to follow and organize the information visually. Following that, grab the sales field and drag it over to the columns. This creates a basic bar chart showing your sales figures across different categories, establishing the framework for our visualization. The next thing we want to do is to press and hold the Ctrl key as we duplicate the sales field in the columns. Duplication is a great way to mirror the data without starting from scratch. Then move over to the second field within the marks card and change its chart type to square. This simple adjustment helps in setting the backdrop for positioning our labels effectively. Once that's done, click on the color option and reduce the opacity to 0. By doing this, you ensure that the chart isn't cluttered with unnecessary elements, keeping the focus on the data labels. Then proceed to the label section and select Show Mark Labels. This step will bring your data labels into view, setting the stage for fine-tuning them further. Next, locate the drop-down arrow on the second sales pill, a subtle yet powerful feature that offers additional options. Click on Dual Axis to align your charts. This step merges the two visual elements, providing the perfect positioning for our labels within the bars. Afterwards, confirm that the first chart type is set to a bar chart, ensuring a consistent visual representation. Now click on the second field again and go to the label section. Here, set the alignment to the left and change the font color to white. This contrast ensures the labels are clearly visible against the background of the chart. You might also want to consider adjusting the font size and style. Making the font bold can add emphasis and make the labels stand out even more. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted bar chart with labels positioned neatly inside the bars. This method not only enhances the readability of your chart, but also adds a professional touch to your data presentation. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating more compelling and informative visualizations in Tableau.